Hello everyone, welcome to Love and Lux. In today's video, we're going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is an item that I already have. I'm just purchasing a different one, I guess you could say. Let me know in the comment section if you want to pause it and say what it is you think I got. The background is a little different because I'm on my travel trailer. The package was delivered to my house, my home address, but I decided I'll do the unboxing while we're out camping on our trailer. And here I'm just showing you what comes inside of the package. Yeah, that's what the box looks like on the inside. And, you know, from doing or watching so many videos, you know, they typically send you a perfume. And so, yeah, this is what it looks like. The perfume, it smells okay. I don't think I would go back and buy the full bottle. I know sometimes they typically give you 2 samples, and this one they gave me 1, but that's fine. Yeah, and I'm just looking at it. I zoom in, but you can't really see it that well. But I'll show more detail about it. Yeah. So I'm showing my, not my Just Include, but my Cartier bracelet, the Trinity cord bracelet. I matched up 2 of the cords. Well, I tied 2 cords together, black and then white, and did it that way. You know, they'll give you the cords from the Cartier store, and then you could change it out yourself. So I just put the the black and the white together. And here's a close-up of the bottle and the name of the perfume. It came with this little card, so I'm just going to show it a little more close up so you can see the name of the perfume and then what it says on the inside of the card. And there you go if you want to read that. This unboxing is kind of all over the place. I ordered the item here that I'm going to unbox, and then I ordered the stuff to go with it, which meant that I had to wait for it all to come. So even though this item came from Louis Vuitton, the stuff that I ordered to go with it, I got all that from Amazon, so it kind of trickled in here and there. But as I received the stuff, I just recorded little clips of it and then added it into the video. Like I said, I was on my travel trailer when I did this unboxing, so I wasn't in frame. I didn't realize I wasn't in frame, so this part of the unboxing is kind of off. But I do show at the end of the video the agenda, and I also do like a little flip through of what I bought to go with it and how it looks when it's set up inside of it. Yeah, so as you can tell, this is the agenda. It is the GM size agenda, the large ring agenda. You guys know I have the small ring agenda and the medium ring agenda. And so here we are. I'm kind of speeding it up because when I look back at the video, I realized I wasn't in frame. I ordered it online and I requested them to hot stamp it before it came to me. And so I was just showing that. The hot stamping came out pretty small. I wasn't expecting for it to be that small, but that's okay. We know the story of the last hot stamping that I did in person, and that one turned out a mess. And now I'm going to go in and show what I got to go with it. The other stuff I got to go with it came like a day later. So this is just the stuff that I had to show you guys at this point. And then I'll add in the other stuff that I got to go with it later down the line. These are stickers. They are what I'm going to be using for my agenda. And these stickers are like they have positive little sayings on it. These little things here are like paper clips, but they're magnetic. The ones with the cats, I got it for my daughter. The other ones that are just plain solid colors, those are the ones that I got for me. I got markers and reverse erasable pens, and then that is just lined paper that I'm just going to be using to write with, and basically like scratch paper. So there's a pack of 3, and when I wind up doing my agenda, I only needed to put half of one of the packs in there, so that'll probably last me for a long time. Yeah, and it's just plain lined paper. And then the highlighters I got, they're just basic Sharpie highlighters. And I'm going to show you here, kind of give you an idea of this large ring agenda and how much space this lined paper is going to take up inside of there. So there you go. Like I said, I didn't know I was in frame, but I'm going to show you guys everything once it's all set up toward the end of the video. And now I'm showing the paper clips. Well, I'm calling them paper clips. I don't know what the proper name of it is, but I saw people were using these because they don't like the way the paper clips put the creases in the paper. So I figured I would try it. They're magnetic, and I went with these colors. And like I said, the ones with the little cat, you can see it in the background, those I got for my daughter. And you can see how it's magnetic. I'm going to put it like on a little piece of wrapper or something, a little wrapper paper, and shake it around so you can see how secure it is. Like I said, I didn't realize I was in frame, but there you go. So it should be pretty secure. You can use it as a bookmarker. You can use it to clip other papers together without creasing or damaging your paper. Yeah, and so that's that. Sometimes when I'm using my agendas, I do use the little post-it notes. So that's why I got a pack of those. Even though I already had some, but I just went ahead and bought some new ones. I'm going to go in and show you guys details of the stickers. You get 8 sheets. You get 8 sheets of stickers. And so I'm just going to go through and show you guys some of the information on the stickers. You can't even see all of them, like I said, because I wasn't in frame. But for the most part, that's what they look like. I realized after I did the video, there was some stuff that I bought that I didn't even show. I didn't realize I left some stuff out. So I don't know. Maybe I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But either way it goes, you'll see that at the end. Whatever it was that I didn't put in the video here. You'll see it at the end. And for the stickers, you get 8 sheets, and it's a total of 229 stickers. Again, all this stuff came from Amazon, except for the Louis Vuitton item itself. That came from the Louis Vuitton website. And like I said, I ordered it and requested them to hot stamp it for me before they shipped it out. This is this is a different day now. And this, I'm back at home, and this is the insert that I use. So since it's July, the inserts go from July of 2022 up until June of 2024. And so there you can see that. This also was from Amazon. And the layout that I like, it has the tabs. Each month has its own section. So you have a month on 2 pages. And then right after that, you have a week on 2 pages. So I'm just kind of showing you guys the layout of it before I show it in the agenda. So there's the first page there. You get a year at a glance, and then the next year at a glance, as well as a sheet to fill out other information. You have your contacts, and then if you have anything you want to jot down that you want to see right away for that year, for important dates, you have that section there. And this is all at the beginning. So then you go into your month on 2 pages. I like how it's lined and you have plenty of room to write. And then you have the previous and the next month down in a corner, and a little note section as well. Once you flip that page, then you go into a week on 2 pages. So you see the information already laid out. Like I said, it's lined, so it just helps everything stay neat and clean. Speaking of neat and clean and organized, this is a pack of pens. They are erasable pens. So if you're like me and you make a lot of mistakes when you write, the erasable pens will be good. I like for things to be kind of colorful, so I went with this pack. Again, this came from Amazon also. Hopefully they work well. I'm not used to using pens that you can erase, so hopefully they work well. And I'm just trying to show the different colors that are inside. And that's it. That's it for the pins. Okay, so this is a different day, and I look back at the footage and realize that I wasn't in frame for a lot of this stuff, so I'm trying to show in more detail now that I have everything set up. So I'm showing you guys the stickers. In that first secretary pocket, I'm just going to keep probably 2 sheets of the stickers, and then when those run out, I'll put 2 more sheets in it, because like I said, in that pack you get 8 sheets for a total of 229 stickers. Other random papers I'll put in that second secretary pocket. The front page is kind of thin, but that's fine. And then we're going into the same thing I showed you before, which when you first open it, this is what you see. Then you flip the page and this is what you see next. I don't really care for things to be like really fancy. I just want it to be functional. And so I like the layout of this. And there you go again. The first month, the month on 2 pages. And then you have your week on 2 pages. So that's the layout that I prefer. A month on 2 pages, followed by a week on 2 pages. And like I said, for every month to have its own tab. In the back, this is something that I didn't show you that I ordered. A big, what is it? Like little plastic pocket type of situation for your sticky notes and stuff like that. And then that lined paper, this is what it looks like inside. The lined paper is pretty thick too, so you don't have to worry about seeing the writing on the opposite side when you write on it. But that's the lined paper that I was showing earlier in the video. And then we're just going back into flipping through the refill. Again, just showing you what it looks like. And the ruler. Okay, so here I'm showing you a different view of it. So this is what it looks like on the side when you have it done up, with the little snap button closure closed. And then I'll show you from the top and from the bottom as well. So that's with everything in there that I'm going to be using. And then that's what it looks like from the bottom. I do have the other agenda, so I'll show that one, the medium ring agenda, as well as a small ring agenda with this large ring agenda. You kind of see the size difference with all 3 of them together. When I keep them at home, I don't close the tabs. So you can see how I don't have the tab closed. In fact, I just put the tab in the back. That's usually how I just keep them at home. And then I close up the tabs when I need to take them with me somewhere. When I'm on the go, they travel really well, which is why I like the agenda covers with the rings in it, because they travel well and it's easy to write in them. So here they are with the tabs closed. You could kind of see a difference between the medium ring agenda, the large ring agenda, and the small ring agenda. This medium ring agenda, I've had it, I don't even know, between 15 and 20 years by now. I don't feel like I need to replace it or get any repairs done on it right now, but you can see the difference in the canvas compared to the newer ones. This smaller one I had for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years now. The canvas still has a matte look to it, just like this one that I just got. They last a very long time though, so I don't know, I feel like it's worth it because they last so long and it's something that you can use every single day. So yeah, here I'm just showing the comparison between the 3. And you can see how shiny that medium ring agenda is because like I said, I've had that one for so long now. But that's it. That's all. Hope you liked the video. Bye. Thanks for watching.